Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Taking my walk this morning. It is a brisk, I think it's 18 degrees, and we got a polar vortex right over us right now. But today I'm going to be working on the furring strips again in the addition. Don't know if you could hear that or not, but we got a pileated woodpecker right in there. There are woodpeckers about the size of a crow. They're really big and they're really bizarre looking. They got like a red mohawk and they have a really insane sound to them. When they're working on trees, you can hear it from a long ways away because they're so big. But anyways, back to business. What I have left to do out there is I got two more corners, the inside corners. I got to lay them out and I need to get everything drilled, and that's all I can do today. I'm incredibly busy with the day job, so I can only get so much done in the winter. Generally, I spend the winter learning a new programming language or working on our website or something like that. Izzy's found something dead down there or something. She's been hitting that spot the last couple days. Luckily this time she just came instead of needing to be called, but don't really feel like going in there, but some animal must have laid down and died there. It could have been a deer that was hit with an arrow or something and didn't fall right away from hunters anywhere in this area. It's a big hunting area. Alright, that's it. I will get back with you in the addition where I'll finish doing that layout and get them holes drilled. So back here in the addition, my inside corners are right under here, and they are the same as, what did I mark? Yeah, where I marked them north and south. They're going to be the same as that. And then this short one right here, there is nothing in the wall behind that. This gets no screws at all. The longer one comes across right here, and I'll be screwing into this stud right here, and then where it goes flat on the existing building, the nearest stud is right behind here. You can see the building is attached to that with these monsters, so it's buried. You can see the studs on the main building are 24 inches on center. So the only thing behind there is OSB. I can throw a few screws in it if it's wanting to hang out a little bit. I can throw a few screws in and just go into the OSB, but I'm not going to if I don't have to. So let me get these two laid out, and then I have to drill that pile, all four of these, and all of that. We have, I wish I would have wrote it down. The forecast, it's the middle of next week, so it's about a week from now. There are low 40s days with low wind, and that's when I'm going to have to put this stuff up. I might get a few up before that. We'll see. I mean, it's snowing right now, so I really don't want to do it today. Well, and we have a polar vortex right over the top of us, so it's really cold out there. So I think I'll just wait for the warmer weather and do other stuff inside until then. And today I'm going to get these last two laid out and drill hundreds of holes. all laid out. Just a quick show to what I'm doing. Where it says big, that means these monsters right here. They are 3/8 by 6 spacks. These don't need to be pre-drilled, but they go in much straighter and there's much less chance of a split out at the end here if I do pre-drill it. So it's what I'm doing is going a size or a couple sizes smaller than this shank diameter. So I got this one for wherever there's a big. On these corners there's one towards the bottom, and if you watched yesterday there's one on each one of them towards the top that will go right into the top cord of the truss up there, and it's different on each one. Right here it's 11 inches down, and here it is 7 inches down. The rest are either 4-inch, which is most of the lower ones, which is going through the foam and into studs. And where do we get that? 3.5 inch, which are going into the parapet area. The parapet area is about 4 inches thick, and I don't want to come anywhere near going through it into the rubber roof. So that's it, just 2 types of holes, and these are all marked for where they gotta go, and that's about it. Time to get these holes drilled. Okay, that is it. Got them all drilled. Now, as soon as I have an opening in the weather, I'm going to start getting these on. I doubt very seriously that I can get them all on in one day, especially with snow on the ground and Some have to be started on the roof, some have to be worked on the ladder, and it's pretty treacherous back here, but I'll get them up. And then once these are up, then I have to put temporary house wrap on right here, block it. Got to put that on to protect the styrofoam until we get the siding on next summer. And then that'll be it for the outdoor work this year. Everything else outdoor will either be in the greenhouse or the machine shed. Not really outdoor, but may as well be, as cold as it is in there. But I'll be working in room 13. I need to get the drywall up in there and stuff like that. And I need to get drywall up in here as well. So lots of interior work coming up as well. So if you want to see all that stuff, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you got any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you like and or share the video, it helps us out greatly and would be appreciated. Thanks for watching and have a great day.